Good morning, traders. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Today was a little weird with volume. The scanners picked up some nice plays today. Only got my starter positions as usual, but padded the wallet today. Top tick, cover, and BHC, top tick, cover, bottom tick. That was nearly a break-even trade. We'll get into both of those trades right now. Interested in playing this on a pullback right now. I want a little bit higher for a short sale. I'm not shorting something during sideways consolidation. You know, that's a healthy sign, and we're seeing that right now. We're getting a nice little pop on it. I want to short into the euphoria when this thing's just taking off. Buyers are pouncing it. That's what I'm waiting for, not just shorting while it's going up and down sideways. Coming back up to high day. Let's see what it's going to do here. This was the first pullback. There's still room on this one to go. It's only up like 50 cents on the day. Not much at all. So here we are. We're getting a little pop on it now. I'm just going to go ahead and start it here at 24.70. I want to go about 50-50, 100, 200. And this is what I'm looking for. I want this up to about 25.75 is really going to be solid resistance. 3 candlesticks there, a couple here, 3 or 4 there, just all over the place on the daily chart. That's why you always got to pull up the daily chart. So we could see this definitely move up. Well, I just covered into that flush down to 24.55 for 12 cents. If it flushes like that, I got to take it. You know, I want this higher. I think this is going to go higher. So if it gives me a pullback, I'm certainly going to take it. This is getting balled up on every single pullback, so it's only smart just to lock in if it comes down to it, and then, you know, and then add back into it over that high day break. Okay, I'm going long on this now. Seeing a big pullback. I like it. So now we're seeing this thing get a little heavy. That upper shadow there, signifying, okay, this thing getting a little bit heavy under this 9 EMA and VWAP. It's the first time it's been under it since the start of the day. So we'll see what it's going to do here. It does have the support, about 24.50. See if it can hold that. I'm not liking how heavy it is. I just cut out of it. Break-even trade. I don't want to take boredom trades. VGR isn't looking bad. VGR, if this gets up through 12 bucks, I'll take a short position here. So it looks like we're coming up to right now. I'll do 100, 200 on VGR. Here we go. That long upper shadow, a lot of buyers moving into this. Let's get up through 12. Okay, I'm starting this 12.06. Blown out on the RSI. This thing has 2 really long green candles on it on the daily. This thing's gone up from 10 bucks to 12 bucks very, very quick. BHC, a little bit further sell off. This one's just turned into a bouncy ball. If you've guys heard that analogy before. Take a basketball, you bounce it, and it just gets slower. We have lower highs. We have a high here, lower high here. I just noticed it was really heavy. Wanted to get out of that position. VGR, this one's extremely overextended. Even higher is fine with me on this one. You guys know I keep top taking the heck out of these stocks. So yes, I do want this one a little bit higher. You know, 12, 20, 25-ish would be great on this for another ad. We'll see what it does here, but keep top taking every single one of these stocks, and it's not letting me get a full position on it. And here we're seeing a nice solid pullback VGR, so let's see what we're going to have here. Okay, I just had to take it right there. I mean, look at this red candle. I got to take it. 12.06 down to 11.87. Back up to 12, I'll take another position on this. Look at those bids already coming up. 11.97. Let's get back over 12 again. That'd be perfect. Okay, I'm going to start another position on it right there, 11.98. Yeah, I like that, bouncing right back up to that high day there. But I like this short here as it popped right back up towards high day because, one, you can either risk high of day, and I'm going to have to lock this in now. Okay, I just locked that in real quick. Wanting higher on this, you know, I want to build a position here, but it's just not letting me. But I like this short because we bounced right back up towards high day. So, one, you can either risk off a high day, or two, just have the starter position. And, you know, if it works out right away, okay, cool. You can pad your wallet a little bit. And if it doesn't, I can look to still build that position that I want here. BHC just kind of fading on off, like that bouncy ball example, under VWAP, under 9 EMA. Not getting buyers pushing into it. Still holding over that 9 EMA. So if this pops up towards like 12.20, I'll probably look to short it again. But if not, that's probably going to be it for me today. Here's VGR taking on off. I may have to start a position here, guys. I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about doing this again. 1220 is probably where I'll start it. It's popping up to that right now. Definitely going to have to start it. If it goes over 1220, I'm starting it. Oh my God. Somebody pulled the shotgun out on VGR when this thing hit 1217. I was really looking to get it at 1220, but I'm just going to end it right here. I feel like I'm starting to just try to sniff out some trades. And when I start feeling like that, you got to have the discipline just to cut it off. Even if you don't make, what you want to make on the day. I'll try to make $50 a day, but, didn't hit that today. Just got to realize market's a little meh, and that's how Mondays are sometimes. Volume is just trying to figure itself out on Mondays. Got to let the dust settle. BHC, I'm pretty happy about that chart because, I took that long position and realized, okay, this is heavy. It's not working out, and I just cut that for a break-even trade. So happy there. Let's take a look at the charts today. All right, guys, here's the charts. BHC, this one took that short, top ticked it, had to cover on that flush. Tried to go for a long here as it sold off even further by that fear. Sold for a nearly break-even trade. I mean, it was a starter position. Both of those, everything today was starter positions. That's the frustrating thing. I got bottom ticket, top ticket, and top tick these. It's all right. I'm happy with it. VGR, this one nearly top ticked that as well. Covered on the flush. Popped right back up near high a day. Shorted. Covered on that flush as well. So those are the trades today. And I haven't had a red day in probably about 3 weeks now. And that's why I'm starting these so small, because I'm a little nervous about myself. I'm scared about myself letting one or two of these get out of hand like I normally do, but it's not going to happen again. I'm starting these small enough and going to spread my ads out far enough so where I don't have to worry about that. When I start small, like 50 shares on some of these stocks or 100 shares, like my emotions are completely out of it, and it really helps me to trade these level-headed. And that way, if they fall right away and they work out, okay, I make 10 bucks. If they don't, I can really build a nice position on it, get those ads spread apart far enough so where I'm never in trouble. Absolutely never in trouble. So that's what I'm looking at. That's where I'm at right now. Really happy with today overall. A little bit of a day. That's why you guys need these scanners, because when everyone else is saying, oh, it's so slow, they're always finding something that's popping on up the intensity scanners. But traders, let me know how you guys did in the comment section below. Smack that like button, hit that subscribe button, traders. We will see you all tomorrow.